What's going on, people? This is Brandon with Brandon Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing February's package for Menlo House or Menlo Club or whatever it is that they want to go by. But nevertheless, this package did come on time and I really do appreciate that. There were not any issues. So, yeah, let's get right into it. And just to go ahead and get this business taken care of right away, please go ahead and like this channel, as well as like this video, or I should say subscribe to this channel and like this video. I guess however you want to say it, I don't really care. Just go ahead and like it, and then you'll know whenever I am planning to drop any other videos. All right, so let's get into it. So let's see what we got here. All right, fresh package. All right. Alrighty, so Menlo House this time around, finally some jeans. Finally, some jeans. The jeans that Menlo House has have always been some of my favorites. Yeah, they just, I mean, I feel like that's one of the things that they definitely get right are their jeans. You know, now it's just gonna be about, you know, how well they fit. I'm very hopeful. Like I said, I've always really loved Menlo House. I mean, 5'4" jeans, 5'4". Let me be very specific. Menlo House is the overall brand, but 5'4" is the primary brand and the flagship brand that pulled me in the first place. So let's see what we got here. This is a pretty thick shirt here, a nice button down. Hopefully, they will slow down on all the winter clothes because we already just had our first 80-degree day last week here in Los Angeles. So hopefully that will not be something that I have to keep dealing with. All right, so, okay, looking at this material, this is a very heavy shirt. This is pretty much denim. It's nice, it's just fairly heavy, which right now it's fine, but I probably won't get to rock it too much. I'm gonna have to probably like rock it today or something, I don't know. But here we go, you know, you got you a nice 5'4" button down. I believe this is denim, it's thick enough. So a nice 5'4" denim shirt and a pair of blue jeans in my size 38. And let's see how they fit. All right, be back in a second. All right, people, so this is the 5'4" outfit that I just got in. Yes, this is a very heavy shirt and it is gonna be very warm. For 70-degree weather, yeah, it'll be right on point. Anything more than that, this might be a little bit much. This will be like almost like wearing a jean jacket. That's how thick this shirt is, which is not a bad thing, so don't get me wrong, because I really do actually like this outfit. And if you all are wondering what the color of this shirt is, I don't know, but if I had to guess, it's like a grayish taupe or something like that. Tapioca. I don't even know if those things have anything to do with each other, but that's what it made me feel, like tapioca. But anyway, down to the jeans. The jeans definitely feel really good. I've always been a really big fan of the 5'4" jeans. They are very, very comfortable, like always. Stretchy material, very comfortable. You know, wash after wash, they just last. I don't feel like I've gotten rid of any of the 5'4" jeans that I've gotten. In the previous part of the video, I was wearing some 5'4" jeans that I know I've had for at least 2 to 3 years. And I just love them. I keep them. I love them. But enough of that. Just to let you get a look at it, you know, it's a nice fit. I like it. They definitely came back through 5'4", like I said. It's their flagship brand and it is their strongest brand under their umbrella. If I got 5'4" stuff every month, I would probably be happier with my overall packages. I know I probably wouldn't want to get a pair of jeans every single month, but God, the jeans are really good. That is their strongest thing that they have on their whole entire website what they send or whatever the case may be. Their jeans are always on point. So yeah, so this is February's package for Menlo House, Menlo Club, whatever they want to call it. And by all means, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Check out some of my other videos. Make sure you like this one right up here. I don't know where it is, but make sure you do that. And we'll see you next time for, I don't know what month. Actually, no, I won't be doing a video for March because I'm going out of town.